Hi, everyone. The question of how long people have to review something if you cancel the order came up again in one of my groups. And the actual real answer is that if Etsy doesn't cancel the order and remove it from the customer's queue, like the customer's purchases and reviews page, then they can still respond to that. And Etsy says sometimes it takes 48 hours for that to happen. So you have to assume that if you cancel an order, the customer might have 48 hours to respond to that review, even if you've canceled the order and refunded it completely. So, how fast that happens, and sometimes people can't respond to a review because Etsy cancels it and takes it out of their queue really quickly, but it depends. And Etsy has said, and it says in their policies right now, because I went and checked, that it can take up to 48 hours for that to happen. Now, since Etsy has gotten into the business of refunding things at the drop of a hat and they're handling it, those cancellations seem to be coming in quicker, and those items are being removed from the queue, so the customers have not been able to leave a review. However, you cannot assume that just because you cancel and refund that the customer won't be able to review an item. So just be aware that the customer might still be able to leave a review, and it's really just depends on what Etsy does. So however Etsy is fast or slow to take that out of the customer's purchases and reviews page, that's how long they have to leave a review. So don't assume you're safe. I just wanted to put that out there. So leave me any questions and I will talk to you later.